Greetings, fellow vendors. Today we are collecting from my hotel location. There is 3 machines. Didn't do much in the way of stocking, but we are going to go ahead and collect from them. Follow all the way to the end. Have a great day. Greetings, everyone. Today we are collecting from my hotel. It's 3 machines. Unfortunately, this was a slow week, so we will go ahead and see what it is. Not everything in vending can be all good collections. It happens. First, we're going to start off with the chips. Get the donuts out of the way. Sometimes it happens. A hotel has a slow week. You can't control their business. I did get everything into Vensoft. So if you'd like to learn more about that, check out the link in the top corner of the screen. Or if you'd like to give Vensoft a free 14-day free trial, check out the link in the description. Adding a few chips, and sorry they're sitting above the camera height. Getting the popcorn restocked. How's your guys' vending businesses doing? Yeah, that one looks like it's good. So we'll go ahead and push that back. Definitely need some Reese's in there. If you guys are looking for more vending related content, check out the Howard Hospitality Group, Mullberry Vending, Quik Play, Xtreme Vending, and Galaxy Games 843. All good friends of mine. If you're looking at getting into the vending business, whether it's full line or arcade, check out the Discord link down below. There's plenty of people in there that always love to help. It's a good community. Getting all these Reese's restocked in here. Updating my numbers on my Vensoft app as I go along. Gonna put the last of the Oreos I have in here. And adding some more Almond Joys. Counting up how many I'm adding. That way I can get the numbers updated in my Vensoft app. Let's get some more Hershey's bars in there. Anyone else having issues with prices going up even more than they have lately? About to start having to charge $2 for my candy. Time to get to the soda. Go ahead and get this side closed up. We'll go ahead and get some Dr. Pepper in there. The Mountain Dew behind it's stocked well enough, so I'm not worried about it. Now we're going to add some Coke. Soda's all restocked. Now to collect the money. Since this is a combo machine, it's going to be everything's controlled from the snack machine side. So we'll go ahead and get this opened up and get all the money out. Like I said, places have good weeks and they have bad weeks. This is not one of the good weeks. This machine collected $79.75 for the week. That included $35.20 in credit cards. On to the next machine. Here we are downstairs. I did get the machines already reloaded. There was not much to stock in them, like maybe 1 or 2 items. Like I said, the hotel had a slow week. It happens. Oreos, Danish's first aid kits, Grandma's cookies, Rice Krispies treats. I do need to get a card reader on this machine. We're going to throw some Butterfingers in there because it's out. On to the collection. Minor amount of change. Very little amount of change. In cash, it was $13.75 for the week. Summer travel season is coming up, so it should be picking up here soon at the time of this recording. Now I've got the soda machine right behind it. This is a USI CB300. Everything's good in here, no restock needed. We're going to go ahead and get collected. said minor change. Then we'll collect the cash. This machine did $20.50 for the week. Here's hoping next week's better. For more vending related content, like and subscribe. Thank you all for watching. Have a great day, everyone.